So here the first question is simplification of the following. So first one given 150 gram 100 milligram should be multiplied by 5, and there you can multiply the unit digits from 5. So here 5 times 0 is 0, 5 times 0 is again 0, and 5 times 1 is 5. So simply 5 times 100 is 500. So when you multiply the 150 gram from 5, 5 times 0 is 0, 5 times 5 is 25. So we write 5 below this and 2 we take to the 1. So 5 times 1 is 5 and 5 plus 2 is 7. The second one, 175 gram 375 milligram multiplied by 4. So we can start from the units place. 4 times 5 is 20. So 0 down and 2 goes to the tens place, that is near 7. 4 times 7 28. 28 plus 2 30. So 0 comes down and 3 goes to the hundreds place. 4 times 3 12. 12 plus 3 you are getting 15. So you can keep 5 here and take 1 to the gram side units place. 4 times 5 20 and 20 plus 1 21. So 1 below and 2 goes to the tens side. 4 times 7 28. 28 plus 2 30. So 0 comes down and 3 goes to the hundred side. 4 times 1 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. Now Roman number 3. 12 kilogram 100 grams multiplied by 8. So here we can multiply 8 times 100 is 800. 8 times 12 we can multiply unit wise. 8 times 2 16. 6 comes down and 1 goes up. 8 times 1 8 and 8 plus 1 9. Roman number 4, it has 5 kilograms 250 grams multiplied by 4. So here we can multiply 4 times 250. So 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 5 20. 0 comes down and 2 goes to the hundreds place. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 plus 2 10. So 0 comes down and 1 goes to the kilograms units place. And 4 times 5 20. 20 plus 1 is 21. So 1 comes down and 2 goes to the 0. So 4 times 0 is 0. 0 plus 2 is 2. Here 12 grams 150 milligrams multiplied by 12. So we are going to do this in a different method. We are going to multiply grams separately and milligrams separately. So first we'll multiply 150 milligram from 12. So 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 5 10. 0 down and 1 goes up. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 3. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 5 is 5. And 1 times 1 is 1. Now we have to add them. So once you add them, you get 1800 milligrams. Now let's multiply 12 grams by 12. So 12 times 12, you all know that is 144. So we get 144 grams and 1800 milligrams. So here 1800 milligram means you have 1000 milligrams and 800 milligrams. 1000 milligram is equal to 1 gram. So we can take that that 1000 milligrams into the gram side as 1 gram and make 144 to 145. So that your final answer will be 145 grams and 800 milligrams. Now Roman number 7. 16 grams 650 milligram multiplied by 13. So let's multiply each digit by 13. Right. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 5 is 15, 5 here and 1 goes near the 6. 3 times 6 is 18, 18 plus 1 19 and 9 comes down, 1 goes up to the gram side. 3 times 6 18 and 18 plus 1 19, 9 comes down and 1 goes up. 3 times 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 4. Now we have multiplied each upper digit by number 3. Now it's the turn to multiply each digit on the top from number 1. 1 times 0 is 0, 1 times 5 is 5, 1 times 6 is 6, and again 1 times 6 is 6, 1 times 1 is 1. Now we have to add both these to get the final answer. So 0 comes down, 5 plus 0, 5, 9 plus 5 is 14. So 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 6, 16. 6 comes down and 1 goes up, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 1, 11. 1 comes down and 1 goes there. 1 plus 1 is 2. So the final answer is 216 grams and 450 milligrams. Roman number 7, 10 kilogram, 375 grams should be multiplied by 25. Now, like in the previous case, we are going to multiply each top number by the digit number 5. So, 5 times 5, 25. 5 times 7, 35. 35 plus 2 is 37. 5 times 3, 15. 15 plus 3, 18. So 5 times 0, 0. 0 plus 1 is 5. 5 times 1 is 5. Now all the upper digits by 2. 2 times 5, 10. 2 times 7, 14. 14 plus 1, 15. 2 times 3, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 2 times 0 is 0. So 2 times 1 is 2. Now let's add everything together. Now let's add. 5 comes down. 7 plus 0 is 7. 8 plus 5 is 13. 7 plus 1 is 8. 5 plus 0, 5. And 5 plus 2 is 7. So this is the final answer. But here you can see in the gram side it shows 8,375 grams. So we can't leave it like that. We have to carry 8,000 grams to the kilogram side, which will become 8 kilograms. So 75 kilograms plus the 8 kilogram, you are getting 83 kilograms, and in the gram side 375 grams. Here we are given 5 kilogram 650 gram to be multiplied by 25. So let's start from 5. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 6 30, and 30 plus 2 is 32. Now 2 below and 3 goes to the kilogram side. 5 times 5 25. 25 plus 3 28. Now, let's multiply all the numbers on the top by 2. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 6, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. So, the 3 should be written below the kilogram side. And 2 times 5, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. Now, let's add. 0 comes down. 5 plus 0 is 5. 2 plus 0 is 2. 8 plus 3 is 11. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. And here the 1 comes down. So the final answer is 141 kilogram and 250 gram. This is another method of multiplying kilograms and gram value by 2-digit numbers. Now question number 2 is a word problem. Find the quantity of rice that needs to be purchased for a week for a household that requires 1 kilogram 750 gram of rice daily. So per day 1 kilogram 750 gram means for a week, that is 7 days, we have to multiply by 7. 7 times 0 is 0. 7 times 5 35. 7 times 7 49. 49 plus 3 you are getting 52. 7 times 1 7. 7 plus 5 12. So the final answer is 12 kilograms and 250 gram required for a week. Now let's move to the third question. The mass of a certain type of biscuit is 3 grams 750 milligram. Packets containing 25 of these biscuits each are issued to the market. Find the total mass of the biscuit in one packet. Now listen, there are 25 biscuits in this packet. Mass of one biscuit is 3 grams 750 milligram. So if one biscuit is that much, 25 biscuits are how much? Yes, you have to multiply. Now you know how to multiply. I'll tell you another method. If you feel difficult in multiplying 3 grams separately, 750 milligrams separately, what you can do is, you can take 3 grams 750 milligram converted to 1 unit. So I'll be considering here 3 grams 750 milligram in milligrams. That is, 3 grams are 3000 milligram. So 3000 milligram plus 750 milligram is 3750 milligram. So 3750 multiplied by 25, you get 93,750 milligram. So that means if we divide this by 1000, we get that 93.750, that is 93 grams separately and 750 milligrams separately. That is the final answer, and that is the total mass of all the biscuits in one biscuit packet. Question number 4. 4 gunny bags of mass 760 gram each are filled with 40 kilogram of sugar per bag. Find the total mass of the 4 gunny bags filled with sugar. Now, each bag is filled with 40 kilogram of sugar, and you have to find the total mass of 4 gunny bags. So one gunny bag is 760 grams. So a gunny bag contains, so empty gunny bag is 760 gram. Sugar in one gunny bag is 40 kilogram. So the total mass of one bag is 760 gram plus 40 kilogram, that is 40 kilogram and 760 grams. So we have 4 gunny bags here. So if you want to find the total mass, you have to multiply 40 kilograms 760 gram by 4. So here you can see 40 kilograms 760 gram multiplied by 4 means 40 kilogram is equal to 40,000 grams. So 40,000 grams plus 760 grams should be multiplied by 4. 40,000 gram plus 760 gram is 40,760 grams multiplied by 4, and if you multiply in this in the normal multiplication method, you get 163,040 grams. Now this should be separated to grams and kilograms. So for that you have to divide 163,040 grams by 1000 and you will get 163 kilograms and 40 grams. So this is the final mass of all the 4 gunny bags with the sugar. Question number 5. 20 incense sticks of mass 650 milligram per stick in a packet of mass 2 gram. Yes, now 20 incense sticks are there. All the mass is 650 milligram per stick and the packet is 2 grams. So find the mass of incense sticks in one packet. So one stick is 650 milligram. 20 sticks are there in one packet. So you have to find what is the total mass. So we have to multiply. So all the top values, if you multiply by 0, you will get zeros. So we will multiply by 2 now. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 6 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. So the final answer is 13,000 milligrams. Now let's see Roman number 2. Find the total mass of one packet. Now one stick is 650 milligram. 20 sticks are 650 multiplied by 20, that is 13 gram. Empty packet is 2 gram. Then the total mass of one packet is all the 20 sticks in one packet. 20 sticks are 13 gram. Packet is 2 gram. Total mass is 2 gram plus 13 gram is equal to 15 gram. So that is the mass of the one packet. Now Roman number 3, find the mass of 12 such packets. Now one packet is 15 gram. Mass of one packet is 15 gram. So mass of 12 such packets are 15 times 12. So we can do the working. 15 multiplied by 12, that is 180. So 15 multiplied by 12 is 180 grams. That is the mass of 12 packets of incense sticks.